Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create an online course in GoHighLevel. This is a powerful feature that lets you build membership sites, courses, and communities all within one platform, making it incredibly convenient for organizing and delivering your content to students or members. First, open your web browser and navigate to GoHighLevel. Sign in using your GoHighLevel credentials to access your account dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main interface where all your tools and features are housed. Now look over to the left navigation panel and click on Memberships. This will direct you to the Sites page, which serves as your central hub for managing all membership-related content. At the top of this page, you'll notice a menu bar, click on Courses, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, select Products. This is where you'll manage and create all your course offerings. Once you're in the Products section, look toward the right side of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Plus Create Products. Click on it, and an expanded menu will pop up, presenting you with two choices. You can either start from scratch or import content from Kajabi. For this tutorial, we're building something completely new, so go ahead and click on Start from Scratch. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the type of course structure you want. GoHighLevel offers several templates like Sprint, Membership, or Marathon course, but since we're creating a custom knowledge base, click on the option named Start Building. This gives you full control over how your course is organized. You'll now be asked to name your course. Type in a clear descriptive title that reflects what your course is about, then click Create Product to proceed. This establishes the foundation of your course. From here, you'll enter the Course Builder interface where you can add individual lessons. Click on a blank post to start creating your first lesson. A new window will open prompting you to enter essential post details such as the title, category, and a clear description of what the lesson covers. These details help organize your content and make it easy for students to navigate. On the right side panel, you have the option to attach a file or upload a thumbnail image. This visual element makes your lesson more engaging and helps students identify content at a glance. Below that, you can select the media type you want to use, whether it's video lessons, audio lessons, or other formats depending on your teaching style. Once you've filled in all the details and uploaded your content, you can preview your course to see how it will appear to your students. If everything looks good, simply hit Save to lock in your work. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.